Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, students? Hope all of you are safe and sound. Today is our 33 lecture about practical geometry. In 17th chapter, we have two exercises in 9th junior, 17.1 and 17.2. 17.2. In 17.1, only the simple triangles you will draw, but the angles you will draw with the compass. The angles are given 45, 75, 105, 90 like this. Before starting the exercise, I will give you the review of the angles, that how you will draw the angles by compass. Because in 17.1 and 17.2, all the triangle, if the angles are given, you must draw it with compass, not with protractor. First, we will draw the angle of 60 degree. This is the line AB. You take any radius. Open your compass, any radius. You are not bound that you are taking the measurement of 1 centimeter, 1.5. It's up to you. You will put on point A or on point B. It's up to you. And according to the question, on which point the angle is given. We draw this semicircle with the same radius. You will put your compass over here. And the first arc, this arc is called the 60 degree arc. This arc is of 60 degree. We join this arc with A, and also we extend this arc here. Now this is the angle of 60 degree. Now we draw the angle of 90 degree. Put your point, this is point A and B. Put your compass on point B with any radius. If you are confused about radius, then you can open your compass 1 centimeter or 1.5. Draw the semicircle. With the same radius, you will put your compass over here, the starting point of the semicircle. Draw this arc, then the same radius. We put our compass over here and draw another arc. The first arc is of 60 degree and the second arc is also of 60 degree. So we bisect these two arcs for the angle of 90. You can change the radius of the compass now. Put your compass here on the both arcs one by one. And then we will join the line. This is the angle of 90 degree. This is the angle of 90 degree. With the help of 90 degree, we can draw the angle of 45, 75 and 105. For all these angles, we need the angle of 90 degree. Now we are drawing the angle of 75 and 105. For this, as I told you, that you need the angle of 90 degree. For the angle of 75, we need these 2 points, this one and this one. This is the angle of 75 degree. Now on the other point, on point B, I am drawing the angle of 105. Again, we need the angle of 90 degree. It will be dotted because this is not our required angle. For 105, we need these 2 points, this point and this point. You see that angle of 75 is less than 90 degrees, so we need the arc of 60 degree and the line of 90 degree. 105 is greater than 90, so for this we need the arc of 120 degree and 90 degree line. This is 105 degree. For the angle of 45, we need these 2 points, this one and this one. Because we bisect the angle of 90 degree, then we get 45. This is the angle of 45. For 75, 105 and 45, we need the angle of 90 degree. And for the angle of 30 degree, we need the angle of 60 because 30 is the bisector of 60. We need these 2 points, this one and this one. This is the angle of 30 degree. Now we draw the angle of 120, although I have the less space. A and B. The first arc is of 60 and the second is of 120 degree. This point, this is 120. Very careful when you are joining the angles with the baseline. This is 120 degree. What is triangle? A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 edges, 3 vertices. And a triangle has 6 elements, 3 angles and 3 sides. The area of the triangle is half of base into height. The perimeter of the triangle, we add the 3 sides of the triangle and we get the perimeter. If we know the 3 elements of the triangle, then we can find the other 3 unknown sides or angles or elements of the triangle. The sum of the angles of any triangle must be 180 degree. Equilateral triangles in which 3 sides and 3 angles are equal. In isosceles triangle, only 2 sides are given and the base angles are given. The vertex angle may be different. In right angle triangle, one angle is of 90 degrees. A scalene triangle has 3 different angles and also 3 different sides. You see on your screen the types of triangle with respect to sides and with respect to angles. Equilateral, isosceles, as I explained you before. When two angles of the triangle are given, the third angle can be found from the fact that the sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degrees. If two angles are given and we know that the sum of the angle is 180, so we add these two angles and we subtract from 180, we get the third measurement of the third angle. Thus, two angles being known, all the three known, and we can take any two of these three angles as the base angles with given side as a base. Here we have question number 1. In question number 1, three sides are given. I did all the steps one by one and also beside with them we write the steps of construction. I didn't do the whole exercise for you. I done some parts for you and the remaining you will do by yourself, and also the question number 2, because in question 2 all the triangles are of 90 degrees. So you know that how you will draw the right angle triangle. Now we have question number 3. In question 3, we also draw the right angle triangle, but this is little bit different from the triangle that we are drawing normally. We will draw this right angle triangle within a semicircle. 17.1. Construct the right angled triangle, measure of whose hypotenuse is 5 cm and one side is 3.2 cm. And also the hint is given in the book. Angle is a semicircle is a right angle. It means that we will draw the right angle triangle inside the semicircle. For this, we draw the hypotenuse first. Hypotenuse is given 5 cm. Here you will draw the line 5 cm. Give the name point A and B. For the semicircle, we need the bisector of side AB. Bisector of AB. And you know how can we draw the bisector? You open your compass more than half of AB. More than half. It means if the measurement of the line is 5 cm, you will open your compass more than 2.5, maybe 3 cm or 3.5 cm. Put your compass on point B and draw an arc above the line and under the line. Above and below. Same radius, put your compass on point A, cut the arc above the line and also below the line. We have two arcs now, this one and this. We join these arcs with the dotted line. This is point O. Point O. Now take the radius of OA or OB because both sides are equal. OA and OB, they both are same. Take radius OA, put your compass on point O and draw an arc like this. This is the semicircle. My compass is not good, so that's why we have a double arc here. The other side is given 3.2 centimeter. Open your compass 3.2 centimeter, 3.2 centimeter. Open your compass 3.2 and you can put your compass on point B or A in any point. And cut the semicircle 3.2. This is point C. We join A with B and C and C with A. This will be the right angle triangle. You will measure this angle with the protractor. This must be of 90 degrees. Is it clear? First we draw the hypotenuse, then we draw the bisector of the side, taking the radius half of the segment, take the center, the middle of the line, and draw the semicircle. Because the other side is also given, which is 3.2 centimeter, we open the compass 3.2. You can put the compass on point B or A, it's up to you. Put the compass on point A, draw the arc 3.2 centimeter. The circle and the arc cut each other at point C. We join C with B and C with A. This is the required right angle triangle. Here are the steps of construction. I did the step 5. The question again for you, and beside them there are steps of construction. Question 4 is construct the right angle isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are same and only the hypotenuse is given, which is 5.2 centimeter. Construct the right angle isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, you know that both sides are equal length, whose hypotenuse is 5.2 centimeter long. In all the parts, only one length is given, which is 5.2. It means we draw the side 5.2 centimeter. This question is same that I done question 3 for you. AB, any point you given PQ. Open your compass more than half of PQ, more than half. Draw two arcs above and below. Join these points with dotted line. This is point O. Take radius OQ. Put the compass here. Draw the semicircle. But the difference in question 3 and this question is, we see where the bisector and the semicircle meet each other. We will take that point. In the previous question, the length of other side is also given and we cut the semicircle according to that measurement. But in this question, only hypotenuse is given. So that's why we see that where the bisector of the line and the semicircle meet each other, that point will be our required point. This will be R. We join R and P and R with Q. The length 5.2 centimeter. This is the required right angle isosceles triangle in which PR is congruent to QR. They both are same. On the same way, you will do the remaining question of question 4. Remaining parts of question 4. Now we have question 5. In question 5, you have ambiguous cases. Ambiguous cases means the measurements which are given, maybe the triangle is possible or sometime triangle is not possible. And maybe the measurements, according to the measurements, two triangles we can draw at the same measurements which are given us in the question. In part 1, measurement of AC is 4.2, AB is 5.2 and angle B is of 45 degree. I am doing part A for you. AB is 5.2 centimeter. First we write given here. Given measurement of AB is 5.2 centimeter. Measurement of AC is 4.2 centimeter and angle B is of 45 degree. Here we have 5.2. AB is 5.2. A and B 5.2 centimeter. On point B, we have an angle of 45 degree. As I told you, for the 45 degree, we need the angle of 90 degree. So first we draw angle of 90 degree. The angle of 90 degree will be dotted. We bisect the angle of 90. We need this point and the starting point of this semicircle. This is the angle of 45 degree. The other length is given 4.2. AC is 4.2. Put your compass on point A and draw the arc like this. You see that this arc cut the arm of the angle on 2 points. This is point C and this one is C dash. C and C dash. We join C with A. Also C dash with A. Only one measurement of the triangle is given, and when we draw the triangle, you see that we have 2 points over there. And now we have two triangles, triangle ABC, and the other triangle is ABC dash. ABC, the bigger triangle, and the smaller one, ABC dash. We have two triangles over there. This is called the ambiguous case. Rest of the two parts you will do by yourself. As you see in the video that how we draw. When only one hypotenuse, one measurement of the side is given, and we draw the isosceles triangle inside the semicircle. Question 4 have 4 parts. I done part 1 for you, and remaining parts you will do by yourself. You also see in the video that we done question number 5, part 1, ambiguous cases. Here is the definition of ambiguous cases. Ambiguous case occur when one uses the law of signs to determine missing measurement of the triangle. When given two sides and an angle opposite one of those angles, in angle A is acute and A is greater than B, one possible triangle exists. And also you see in the diagram, in diagram 2, there two triangles are possible, you see from the arc, and we have two triangles there. Steps of construction. I mentioned the page, that on which page you can find the steps of construction of which part. The second part, the third, and also the first one. In the last part, you see that the triangle is not possible, but you will write all the steps till you draw the arc of 3.5 centimeter, and at the end you will write that the triangle is not possible. Okay, student, inshallah, if you have any problem or any queries regarding the angles or the triangle, we will discuss in the Zoom class. Allah Hafiz.